Well, good Friday morning to you. Got a little bit of some moisture on the way for this afternoon and into the evening before a great weekend on deck for us here in the southern Colorado. You'll notice here the timing. Friday gets out of here Saturday. The rest of the forecast period looks to be pretty dry. Let's go ahead and get right into the forecast and what we're seeing outside right now on the satellite and radar. Few clouds stream into the eastern plains. The rest of us looking very dry. This is all ahead of some clouds and some rain and some snow showers that'll start to infiltrate in from the southwest as we go throughout much of the daytime today. And you'll see all the moisture over there in the form of clouds, rain, and even snow. This is associated with that low we've been tracking pretty much all week long. It'll wrap around and it'll provide a little bit of some energy and lift for us to kick up some snow showers in some areas and rain showers for most as we go into this evening. So here's what this looks like on the Stormcast and what we're going to see for the rest of the daytime today. You'll notice here clouds will continue streaming in through most of the daytime today. I think we stay relatively dry along the interstate and east for much of your Friday. We'll start to get some snow showers into the high country first. Heading into the early parts of the afternoon, maybe a preliminary shower, but for the most part, still on the drier side. So your day kind of looks like that, mix of sun and clouds, more clouds than not, with 50s across the board, 60s as you go off to the eastern plains, 30s and 40s into the higher terrain. It's after we hit our highest temperatures of the day that we start to get the moisture into our area here. So as that low is wrapping around, the main timing in the opportunity window has continued to be Friday night, tonight into Saturday morning, and you can notice it really starting to pick up. I think we get the most amount of moisture Highway 50 and south. And you'll see where there is the snow in the higher terrain and rain showers for the lower elevations. Temperatures are just on the warmer side, so if we do get any flakes before the temperatures really start to fall, I think they melt on contact with the ground. Looking into Teller County, you'll notice here that we're going to get some light snow showers as well, but again, accumulation is very minor. Heading into the overnight hours when you're sleeping is when the bulk of this moves through, and then it quickly gets out of here as we go into Saturday morning. I'm trying to thread the needle between not hyping this up because it's really not a lot of moisture, but then also not ignoring it because we could see some snow showers in some areas, and waking up tomorrow morning on grassy areas could see a little bit of some accumulation in some of our local higher terrain communities. Here's the precip potential. I love this tool because it shows you the more or less. So more as you go to the southeastern corner and then south of Highway 50, less as you're into the Pikes Peak region. This is when you melt down all that snow into water as well for areas that will receive snow. So not a lot of snow, not a lot of rain, but a good dose for us here in southern Colorado until we dry up going into the weekend. So highs tomorrow for the first part of the weekend into the 50s and 60s. This likely feels better than the 50s and 60s that we're seeing today because once we get those showers out of here, we clear up and get a lot of sunshine for the rest of your Saturday. Rest of the weekend looks really nice too. Could see some breezes in and around town, but for the most part, temperature highs climb into close to 70 in Pueblo and Canyon City, into the mid 60s in Colorado Springs and upper 50s in Woodland Park. In a gist here, we have some moisture tonight. Might see some rain showers or snow showers as you're going through the evening hours, but waking up tomorrow and into Sunday, we're on the mend and we're looking pretty good. Here's a look at Woodland Park right now. 31 degrees on the WireNut Home Services camera. Clear sky for now. Same story in Pueblo, 26 degrees. That will change as we go into the evening, and then it shapes up to be a nice weekend. The top of next week will be a tad bit breezy and warm for us here in southern Colorado, but in the way of any moisture, we're not seeing much here into the lower elevations. That's a check at your forecast update for this Friday. Back to you all at the desk.